Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for November 6 to 12, 2023. General reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. Ayan, pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook and TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee shop. Available ang mga protection and prosperity bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Ayan, so ito yung Capricorn bracelet na nag-a-align sa energies ng mga Capricorn. Meron tong gold sheen, obsidian, tiger's eye, at garnet. So ito ay available sa aking Shopee. Link on the description kung gusto nyong umorder. Okay, Capricorn. Ano na? What's up sa inyo? For Capricorn. Step into your power. Oh, Capricorn, it's time to be more confident. Marami kang kakayanan. Marami kang kayang gawin. Step into your power. So I think you're going to be more confident in your life, especially in expressing yourself and yung pag-achieve mo sa goals mo. Naniniwala ka sa yung kakayanan. Nothing is yet set in stone. Alam nyo, maraming pwedeng magbago. Okay? Nobody can tell us na, uy, ito yon, mangyayari yan. 100%. Because things can change. Nothing is yet set in stone. So, you can change things. Kung meron ka nang naplano and you feel like it's not, things change, na parang feeling mo, hindi na yun yung gusto mong gawin, then you have the power to make that change. Pwede mo baguhin yan. Okay? And then, balance, spirituality, and practicality. So, yung iba, nasa spiritual awakening, or you are a very spiritual person, na minsan, lagi mo lang inaasa sa, maganda magdasal, of course. But, mahirap naman kung dasal lang tayo ng dasal pero wala naman tayong ginagawang action. Okay? So, we can't just say affirmations but we're not doing anything to make that happen sa affirmations na yan. Let's say you're saying na, oh, I am abundant, I am prosperous, money comes to me easily. Pero wala ka namang source of income or wala kang ginagawa to be more abundant or productive, 'di ba? So you have to balance that out na dapat in alignment rin yung actions mo, yung energy mo sa mga minamanifest mo. Okay, pwedeng kahit ano yan, whatever that is, even relationship, if you're manifesting a relationship, of course you have to be that person din na gusto mong makasama. You have the Seven of Swords. Someone here, merong someone might break a promise. Can be a Scorpio, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, water sign. Merong pinangako sa'yo na, kumbaga in the beginning, hindi talaga niya maibibigay sa'yo from the beginning. So, kumbaga, alam na niya sa sarili niya na hindi niya ma-deliver yung promise niya, pero pre-promise pa rin niya. Oh my God, you have the Tower. OMG, Capricorn. Actually, kasi si Pluto is going direct na ata ngayon eh. So, some of you are going to experience major changes in your life. Pwedeng yung iba sa inyo nag-hold on pa into something na akala nyo is still working for you, pero hindi na pala. And some of you, meron ditong unexpected na realization or revelation tungkol sa isang tao na mahal mo sa buhay or someone is very close sa'yo, may marireveal na totoong intention eh. Oh my God. Five of Swords. That may lead to conflict. Pag-aaway. Meron ditong hindi patas lumaban. Some of you, maaring maka-experience kayo niya ng stressful situation with someone na pinagkatiwalaan mo eh. Nine of Wands. Alam nyo, Capricorn, you are very strong. Okay? You are strong enough to handle any challenges. Okay? So, ano man to na kakaharapin nyo this week, of course, hindi naman to magre-resonate for everyone, but just in case you are going through something, merong deceit, may panloloko, merong conflict with someone, kaya mo tong i-handle, okay? Kaya mong i-handle. So, don't you worry. Let's see what else, Capricorn. This is moving past any hurdles. Darating rin yung time na mababalance mo to. Okay? Maayos mo to. Makaka-move forward ka na. Alam mo yung tipong nagbabiyahe ka, tapos sa biyahe mo na yan, biglang may nadaanan kang malubak na daan. So, syempre nakaka-stress yun. No? Challenge yun sa'yo. Malubak eh. Pero, ano lang yun? Part lang yun nung kailangan mong pagdaanan. Pero after nun, patag na yung kalsada. So, magiging mabilis na yung pag-move on mo. No? Mabilis na yung magiging pagpunta mo doon sa destination mo. And I also feel that there is someone who is also going to help you to go through this. Merong tao na talagang solid yung suporta sa'yo, natutulong sa'yo. Kasi parang ano to eh, alam mo yung purging, parang merong mga tinatanggal na tao sa buhay mo na hindi totoo sa'yo or kailangan mo talagang i-release na sila. Some of you sa relationship, yung may mga karelasyon dito, merong honeymoon. Some of you, pwedeng nasa start pa lang ng relationship. Merong potential itong connection ninyo, itong relationship ninyo. Kailangan nyo lang na mas mag-spend ng oras at panahon sa isa't isa intimately para mas mag-grow yung relationship nyo. And there is also someone stalking you sa social media or checking up on you, especially kung ikaw ay may bagong karelasyon ngayon. Ang inaalam nila, uy, sino tong bagong karelasyon ni Capricorn? Oo. So, let's see sa iyong kaperahan. Merong choices, a lot of opportunities opening up for you. Ang importante is you are keeping your eye on the prize. Ano ba yung goal mo sa buhay? So, eventually, makukuha mo yung dinideserve mo. What's best for you. Hindi lahat na nag-open na opportunity sa'yo ay makakabuti para sa'yo. So, ang importante is, alin doon talaga yung mas nagre-resonate ka and focus on that. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Capricorn. See you again.